Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get started with the Gemini Workspace. So you cannot directly make changes to the original workspace, so first you have to fork the workspace. To fork it, you have to click on this fork button right here and it will open this interface. You can name the workspace as you want. You can write it Gemini API, and after naming the workspace you can select the environments that you want to fork. You can select all the environments and you can select or you can select the testing environment only. It is up to you. After using this, after doing all this, click on fork collection to fork the collection. Once you have forked the collection, now it's time to configure the API key so that you can start sending the API requests to the Gemini API. So for that you have to either click on this link which is there, or you can just go to Google and type in Google AI Studio and just click on this link. So it will open up this interface right here. You must be signed in order to create or generate an API key. After getting signed in, just click on this Get API Key button which is present right here, and go to the bottom and click on Create API Key button which is present right here. After this, select the project in which you want to create an API key. If you do not have a project, then create a project and then create the API key. As you can see, I have this Gemini API project already created, so I'll click on that and click on Create API Key in existing project. I'll click on this, and as you can see the API key has been generated. I'll just click on the copy button in order to copy the API key. So after copying your API key, you have to go to your Postman workspace that you have forked and go to the environment section present right here on the top left corner. Go to the Gemini testing environment. In the Gemini testing environment, go to the API key variable, and in the API key variable, go to the current value, and in the current value, paste your API key that you have copied from the Google AI Studio. So as you can see, the API key has been pasted. After pasting your API key, after storing your API key in this particular API key environment variable, click on the Save button to save your API key in the environment section, in the Gemini testing environment. So as you have saved your API key, you are good to go. That means your API key has been configured. You can change the other values such as your project ID and authentication token as per your configuration. To check whether the API key is correct or not, or whether the request is actually going or not, click on any of the requests present here and click on the Send button. So as you can see that the test results are positive and you can see a status of 200 OK. That means our request has been successfully sent to the backend and our API key has been configured. Now you can explore the workspace. Thank you.